Welcome back to Fire to Fork. Today's episode, look, I found something that has changed the way I'm able to cook so dramatically. It's like nothing else I've ever seen before. This device isn't new, but it is new to me. I think it looks like it's going to cut down my cook times by 80%. It's insanity. And it actually lets me cook inside my car. Like, it gets me around fire bans. I've been chasing fire bans for years. All right, I'm just gonna have to show you. This is a food TV, also known as a tucker fucker, and it's just revolutionized the way I can do things. So today I'm going to cook something I've done before, but never this quickly and easily. So I'll just show you. If you have a sort of $6,000, $10,000 electrical system, this is no problem at all. So it's pretty low barrier to entry. This is a cheeseburger that says here, I remove contents from carton. And then I heat on high at 1,000 watts. This is only a 700 watt. I didn't have the money for a full 1,000 watt. So make sure your tray's in there properly. You put that in. And then that's 2 minutes. I'll probably have to do it for a little bit longer. Fred, come here. Fred. Come here. Come on, bud. Come here. Doing this? Well, it feels hot. Now, if I just leave that for 2 minutes, it says it'll be ready. Apparently it's too hot now. Definitely feels very hot. I can't wait. How long's 2 minutes? I haven't even got a phone on me. Oh, let's take it out of the bag. I'll take it out of the bag then. Oh well. Maybe I should use this opportunity to do some gratuitous B-roll. Smell that. Hey Fred, where you go, mate? Oh, fuck it up. That is faulty. April Fools. I had way too much fun doing that. Fred's not even eating it. He's actually not even eating it. I agree, mate, it's not food. I know, it's not food, is it, Fred? It's not food. You know something's bad when the dog will eat everything but the meat. Like he's gone for the patties first, he's gone for the buns first. Oh, that is foul. Please no one call the RSPCA on me for feeding that to Fred.